this week. It's been lovely to see many more Year R children arriving, starting here at Lordswood. They've arrived so confident and happy, it's been wonderful to see. I'm out here on the Key Stage 1 playground because I wanted to show you the new outside learning area that's being constructed. I'm looking forward to the solar panels being installed that will generate the power to run the lights inside. It certainly will be a fantastic space for our Year 1 and Year 2 children. Now for our attendance winners for last week. In Key Stage 1, the class with the winning attendance of 96% goes to Willow, so well done Willow Class. In Upper Key Stage 2 with 98.9% is Juniper, and the winning class for the school goes to Elder in Lower Key Stage 2 with 99.3%. So well done to all those children in those classes. I also understand this week that from Years 2 to 6 you have elected your MPs for our four learning ministries: learning, sports, arts and environmental. Badges will be handed out by class teachers shortly. The elected children will be listed at the end of the assembly. The list will also show the ministers that have been allocated to be part of our parliamentary cabinet. So congratulations to all the children that have been voted in. And now for our nominations for the Gold Book for this week.
Good morning, Hawthorn class. The people that I would like to nominate this week for outstanding work is, first of all, Hayley. Hayley, every single lesson you've tried your hardest. You're working so hard to try and get your handwriting pen as well. You're the first one to do our slant and always offering a helping hand to everyone, including me. So thank you and well done. I would also like to nominate Paige. Paige, you have been outstanding this week. You have tried really hard to earn your pen licence, which you succeeded in doing, so well done. And some mornings when you've come in, you've been a little bit upset, but you've soon got on. Your presentation is outstanding and you're always ready to do your best learning. So well done, Paige. Well done, everybody, and see you next week.
Hi everyone, what a wonderful week we have had. So this week from Large Class I would like to nominate Lily M for having such a positive attitude towards her learning and always trying her best. The second person I'd like to nominate is Oliver. Oliver is always sharing positive contributions to all of our class discussions, which has been fantastic. Well done.
Another great week in Elder Class. All of you have read at home this week, so very well done. Keep it up, and you've done your homework as well, so I'm really pleased, and you should feel proud of yourselves. My Gold Book nominations for this week goes to two people who have consistently followed our values, have worked hard, have been supportive of other children, and always doing their best. And they are Chase Knight and Layla Edwards. So very well done. Keep up the good work.
Hello everyone, nice to see you all in school again this week. See the class, you've been absolutely brilliant again. And the two people I'm going to choose this week will be Isla and Sean. Isla, you've been absolutely brilliant in maths, your presentation skills have been excellent. And Sean, the piece of writing you've done on your diary this week was absolutely incredible. I'm so proud of the progress you have made. So well done and see you all next week.
Hi guys, from our class this week I would like to nominate George for doing brilliantly in his writing this week. Well done George, and keep it up. I would also like to nominate Paige for always coming in with a smile, ready to work. Well done guys. Bye.
Hi, I'd like to nominate this week Lily Bell and Darcy, because both of them made a fantastic effort to start the year well, and they're trying their hardest in everything they do. So well done girls, excellent work, keep it up. Bye.
Hi guys, I hope that you have all had a fantastic week. I know I have. This week I have 2 nominations for Sycamore Class, and both of these are for children who have worked really hard this week but have also shown in particular one of our school values, and that is independence. They've worked really hard on their independent work and have heard from all of their teachers that they're doing fantastically. Those 2 nominations are for Harry and Dolly. So well done to both of you. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to having you all back on Monday.
Hello everyone. This week my stars of the week go to Charlie Dennis. He's had a broken hand, yet he's persevered through everything. He's worked really, really hard. Keep it up, Charlie, well done. And Sky is phenomenal. She always works hard. She always spins like a spider. So well done, Sky.
Well, it's that time of the week where we see which house has gained the most points. Will it be Havengore, Victory, Valiant or Arethusa? So, with an amazing 650 points this week, the winner is Havengore! Yeah! Keep going!